Hello students, good afternoon all of you. Welcome back to your online classes. I am Taizib sir and today I am going to teach you new exercise, okay, or new topic. But before starting new exercise or new anything, before starting anything, so let's check here the code, okay. So now let's check here today's code. So what is today's code? Let's check here today's code. So today's quote is success is journey, not a destination. What? Success is a journey, not a destination. It means what? Success. We got the success, a life of journey, not a destination. We say as like that, I got the success. We got the success, but it's my luck, is my destiny, but it's not a destiny. Yes, it's what a part of journey. Whatever we do as a form of result, we got the success. Okay, it's not a destination. Destination means luck or destiny. Got my point, all students? Now today we are going to learn, but before we checking what we have done in last session. So students, we have done in previous sessions, what we have done in previous sessions, revision exercise number 3b. What? Exercise number 3b, question number 3, find the product and using the pattern. Okay, in last session we have done exercise number 3b full. Question number 3, find the product using the pattern. Then after question number 4, multiply in any order. Okay students, in last session yesterday we have done multiply in any order. I hope you all remember all things. Okay, and and find the product using the pattern, we done this topic, and question number 4 is done yesterday, multiply in any order. Got my point, all students? So now we move on today's content, and today what we are going to learn. Now check. First of all we do the revision, then after what we do, first of all we do the revision, one by one, all students. So revision, then multiplication box. Today we are going to learn a previous lecture's revision. Okay, what we have done in previous lecture? In previous lecture we have done exercise number 3b, question number 4. What is question number 4? Multiply any order, multiply in any order. So students, in last lecture we have done exercise number 3b, question number 4. So box multiplication, and in previous lecture we have done what? Question number 4, multiply in any order. Got my point, all students? So, and today we are going to learn new topic. Which one is new topic? New topic is what? New topic is box multiplication. Okay, is box multiplication. New topic is what? Box multiplication. Then after question number what? Then after question number second, example of box multiplication. So then after we see the box multiplication. Okay, example of box multiplication and multiplying 4-digit number. Got my points? We have keep it in mind these all points, students. Today we are going to learn a revision, box multiplication, and example of box multiplications, and multiply 4-digit number. Okay, first of all what we do? First of all we do the revision of last session. Understood, all students? First of all we do here the revision of last session. Now means what we have done in previous lecture, we are do the revision here of the last lecture. And then box multiplication is new topic, and its example of box multiplication, and then after multiplying 4-digit number. Which digit number? Multiplying 4-digit number. So students, today we are going to learn, first of all going to learn new topic, box multiplication. Before starting we do the revision. So now we do the revision of previous lecture. So in previous lecture what we have done, exercise 3b, question number 4, multiply in any order. So question number 3, multiply in any order. Students, in last lecture we have done question number 4, multiply in number. So now let's check a question number 1. So let's check here the question number 1. What is the question number 1? 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4. So 3 multiplied by 2 multiply 4. So first of all 3 multiplied by 2. Okay, then first of all we write 3 multiplied by 2 and as it is multiplied by 4. So 3 2s are 6. What? 3 2s are 6. Then after multiply by 4. So 3 2s are 6 and then multiply by 4. So 6 4s are 24. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18 and 6 4s are 24. Understood all students? How can it possible? 3 2s are, first of all we write 3 question and then we write a 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4. So first of all we multiply each other first two digits. 3 2s are 6 and multiply by 4. 3 2s are 6 and multiply by 4. 3 2s are 6. Okay, and then after 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. So 3 2s are 6 and multiply 6 4s are 6 multiply by 4. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12 and 6 3s are 18 and 6 4s are 24. Got my point all students? So it's this possible. So now 24 is our answer. Now let's check a question number B. So question number B is what all students? Let's check here. Question number B is 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 3. 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 3. So first of all we write as like that, 2 multiplied by 7, okay, in different way, and then multiply by 3 as it is. Then after 14 multiplied by 3, 14 multiply by 3. Okay, so first of all what we do here, 2 sevens are how many? 14. Then multiply by 3 as it is. So 14 threes are, okay, 2 sevens are 14 and then after 3 as it is. 14 multiplied by 3 is equal to how many? 14 threes are 42. 14 threes are 42. Got my point all students? Now I hope you all are understood. Now question number C. What is the question number C? Let's check here the question number C. Question number C is what? Question number C as like that, 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. What my point all students is, this means what? Is this means first of all we do both digit, multiply both digit. 4 multiplied by 3. Understood? 4 multiplied by 3 then 5. So we do as like that, 4 multiply by 3 means 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. So we write as like that, 12. 4 3s are 12 and then after multiply by 5. 4 3s are 12. Understood? Then after 12 5s are 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3 36, 12 4s are 48 and 12 5s are 60. Understood? Again I'll repeat you. 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48 and 12 5s are 16. Got my point? So how can we do? Again I am explaining you students. Here 4 multiply by 3 and multiply by 5. So 4 3s are 12 and multiply by 5. 4 3s are 12 and multiply by 5. So 4 3s are 12 and multiply by 5. So 12 5s are 16. How can it possible? 12 5s are 16. Understood all students? And then now question number D. Question number D. What is the question number D? Let's check here. Let's check here the question number D. So question number D is what all students? 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 8. What? 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 8. Understood all students? How it's like that we solve all these questions. Got my point? So now students 3 3 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 2. Okay, what? 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 8, as it is 3 multiplied by 2. So 3 2s are 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. So we write a 6. Understood? We write a 6. 3 2s are 6. And then what we have a write? That time we are writing that 3 2s are 6 and multiply by 8 as it is. Understood? That time we are writing as it is. So students, then 6 multiplied by 8. 6 8s are 48. How many students? 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48. Again I'll repeat you. 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 8. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6 and multiply by 8. So 6 8s are how many? 48. 6 8s are how many, all students? So 3 2s are 6. 6 multiplied by 8. 3 2s are 6 and 6 multiplied by 8. So 6 8s are 48. Got my points? Now I hope you all are understood. Now we move on question number E. What is question number E? So let's check here the question number E. So 4 multiplied by 5. What? 4 multiplied by 5. 4 multiplied by 5 and multiply by 2. So first of all we do 4 5s are. 4 5s how many, all students? 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16 and 4 5s are 20. Okay, so 4 5s are 20 as like that. Again I'll repeat you. First of all what we do? 4 5s are 4 multiplied by 5 and 5 multiplied by 2. 4 multiplied by 5 and multiplied by 2. So 4 5s are 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16 and 4 5s are 20. So 20 multiplied by this 2. This 2. 20 multiplied by 2. So 20 multiplied by 2. So 22s are 14. 22s are 4. Understood? 22s are 14. So now 22s are 14. So 2 2s are, see here, 2 and 2. 2 2s are how many, all students? 4. And 0 as it is we write. 0 we write as it is. Understood? 0 we write as it is. 2 2s are 4 and 0 we write as like that. So now we move on question number. Next question means here is done. Your revision session is done. Previous lecture we till 2 we have done is question number E. So now we move on new topic. What is a new topic, all students? Multiplication box. What is a new topic? Multiplication box. Is this your new topic? I hope you all are understood. Okay, so now before we starting multiplication, we know what is a multiplication, factor, multiply and product. Okay, what is the meaning of factors? We all know. And then what is the meaning of product? We all know. Such a things we have, keep it in mind. Now let's check here. What is a box multiplication? Okay, so now here new topic is what? Box multiplication. What? Box multiplication. Here is another way to multiply. Okay, here is which way? Another way. Okay, first of all we do by doubling method, exploring method. Then after doubling method we have to do the double digit that time. Then what? Pattern digit, exploring number and double digit multiplication. Okay, we have done, but here one more method is coming. So here is another way to multiply 2-digit number. How many digit, all students? Here multiply 2-digit number. It means what? Here all students, here multiply what? Here multiply another way of understood. So now let's check how can it possible 2-digit multiplication number of another method. We understand by the example. Here taking the example of fish. Okay, so some fish like to swim in pairs. Okay, some fish, but we don't know how many fish. Okay, so here see, now all see this both fish swim in pair. This green both this both green fish is swim in pair, and this red fish swim in pair, and this orange fish is swim in pair. Understood? So how many fish are there in 43 pairs? Okay, so we have to decide. There is 43 in one pair. One pair means how many? Two person or two things. Okay, one pair. Okay, we always wear the pair of cloth, pair of shoes, pair of cloth, pair of shoes or socks or sandals. Okay, we never wear a one's cloth, shoes, socks. Understood? So we called what we called a pair of cloth, a pair of shoes, a pair of whatever, etc. Okay, so here pair means two things. Okay, in pair two, one pair. Okay, so here many fish are there in 43 pairs. How many pairs here total? 43. Okay, so in pair how many comes digit? 2. Pair means 2 digit and 43. So we have to do multiply 43 multiply by 2. Understood? How can possible? 43 multiply by 2. Understood? 43 multiply by 2. So first of all, step by step we are going to learn. Okay, box multiplication. So step number 1. What is the step number 1? Break up of 43 into 40 and 3. Okay, we have 43 to break. First of all, what to do here? 43 we break, not a 20 plus 23 in as form of 14 and 3. Understood? We break up the number here. 43 into 43 into 14 and 3. Okay, here students break up the 43 into 40 and 3. Got my point, all students? So I hope you all are understood what is a breakup. Okay, breakup 43 means we have to break digit. Okay, 43 we have a break, and 14 and plus 43, 14 plus 40 plus 3. So how many? 43. 40 plus 3 is equal to 43. Understood? So 40 into 40 and 3, we have to break this number as like that. Then what is the step number 2? Step number 2 is then place the factor. Then see this factor, this and this. 43 multiplied by 2 is this both factors. So the place the factor in boxes like this, as like this. See here. Understood? Here what to do here, all students, we have to first of all draw the table. Okay, and when what to do, cut the number first. When you cut 14 and then next was 3, next box in a 3, so 14 3. Okay, so pair of how many pair of fish here? 2. So we have put a empty place there, and let's take a step number 3. First multiply by tens. What? First multiply by tens. So 14 multiply by 2, because of how can we I am take 14 here, the 43 multiply by 2. So why I am wrote here 40 multiply by 2? Because of here read the first step. 43 break up into 14 and 3. So we 40 multiply by 2. The 4 2s are 42s are 80, means 4 2s are 8, and 0 this 0 as it is. 4 2s are 8, and 0 will be put as the same. Okay, and other things 42s are 80. Understood? Now here is blank. Okay, because of 3 is separate. So step number 4. Now we do the step number 2. The multiply the ones 14. The multiply ones the 14. 3 2s are how many? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So we can write as like that. Understood? We can write as like that. So in 14 we got the 18 at the product. 14 we got the how many answer? 18, and then in sum we got the 6. Okay, in this sum we got the 18, and this sum we got the 6. The 18 plus 6, do with your finger and do in your rough book, all students. So what you got the answer? You get the answer 86. 8 plus 6, how many, all students? 18 plus 6. 18 plus 6 how 18 plus 6 how many all students? 86. So answer is what? There are 86 fish in all. Answer is what? There are 86 fish in all. Got my point all students? This is your question number 1, means example number 1. I hope you all are done. Understood all students? Again and I'll repeat you students. Okay, box multiplication here is another way to multiply two-digit number. So example number 1 is what? Some fish like to swim in pairs. Okay, what? Some fish, but how many fish? We don't clarify that. So some fish like to swim in pairs. Okay, and how many fish are there in 43 pairs? So some fish like to swim in pairs. How too many fish are there in 43 pairs? So 43 multiplied by 2. How many? 43 multiplied by 2. So how many fish are there in the 43 pairs? Got my point all students? How many fish are there in 43 pairs? So 43 multiplied by 2. Step 1, break up 43 into 40 and 3. Understood? Step number 1 is what? Here a pair means 2. So step number 1 is break up of 43 into 40 and 3. Understood? So how can it be break? Step number 2, let's check here. Step number 2. So step number 2 is what? Then the place factor in box like this, as like this. Okay, so 2. Okay, we break the 43, we break up 43, break up 43 into 14 and 3. 40 and 3, break up 43 into break into 40 and 3. So 40, how can we write 40 as like that? 14 and 3. Okay, so students, so here step number 2 is what? The place the factor in box like this. So 40, we break the 42 into the 40 and 3. Okay, not a 14, 40 only. So 2 here because of this 2 red. Okay, so 40. Okay, so now here do 40 multiplied by 2. So 4 2s are 8 or 14 2s are 18. 4 2s are 8, otherwise 14 2s are 18. Got my points? 4 2s are 18 or 14 2s are 18. Got my point? All students. Then step number 4. Then multiply by the ones. First of all we do tens and then ones. So here, okay, 3 2s are 6. 3. Here we break the which number? This 3. So 3 and multiply by 2. So 3 2s how many? 6. 3 2s are 6. Then after 8 the product 18 plus 6. How many? 8 the product 18 plus. Here 8 the products 18 plus 6 is equal to how many? 86. So 43 multiplied by 2. 43 multiplied by 2 is equal to 86. Answer, there are 86 fish in all. What? Answer is what? There are 86 fish in all. Got my point? Got my point all students? I hope you all are understood. Now we move on. Next example number 2. So let's check here the example number 2. Here 4 digit. Okay, so how can it be solved? So we know all steps. The first step is what? Step number first is break up the number. So how can we break? See here 26 and 30. So first of all we break up 26. How can we break in 26? So first of all we break a 26 as form of the 20 plus 6. See, 20 plus 6. Understood all students? 20 plus 6. 20 plus 6, it's called a 26. Okay, then after step number 2, okay, then this 20 and this 20 multiply each other. 20 multiply by 10. So 200. 20 multiply by 20 tens are 200. 2 ones are this. See here, 2 multiply by 1. So 2 ones are 2 and then 0 and then 0 as like 200. Understood? Then after 6 as it is. Okay, and then after 6 check in last. So there 20 multiplied by 10, so 220, and then 6 multiplied by 10. See here 10. Okay, how can it 10 come? See, 13 we broke. Now 13, first of all we broke a 26. Okay, so 26 break up 20 into 6, and then 13 break up into 10 and 3. 13 break up into 10 and 3. 13 we break up 13 into 10 and 3. So now here 3, the turn of which here 6 we have done. 6 tens are 16, and here is coming a 3. So here we put the first box 10, 216. See here, this 200 and this 16. This means first row is done. And now second row of 3, 20. This 20 multiplied by 3. Got my point, all students? 20 multiplied by 3. 20 multiplied by 3 is equal to, see, 2 3s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 2 3s are 6. So we wrote here the 6 and 0 as it is. Got my points? Then after 6 tens are, we wrote that 6 multiplied by 3. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, and 6 3s are how many? 6 3s are 18. Understood? So now let's check here the answer. Okay, so let's check here the answer. First of all, we 200 this, then after we add 16, then after again this 16. First of all, 20 tens are 200, then after 6 tens are 16, then after 20 3s are 16, then after 6 3s are 18. So 0 0 0 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8, so as it is 8. Then after 0 plus 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. So 3 here and 1 as a form of carry, but we don't write that as a form of carry. Then after 1 carry form, we count first carry 1, and then after 2, so 3. So answer is what? 338. Answer is what, all students? 338. Got my point, all students? Now example number 3. 365 multiplied by 4. 365 multiplied by 4. So now we broke the 360. We break up the 365 into the 360 and 5. Okay, example number 3 we do here. Okay, again I will be repeat you in a next session, but now attention is properly, all students. Example number 3, 365 multiplied by 4. So 300 break up into 365 break up into 316 and 5. Okay, so 5 is place of 20, but how can it possible? I told you. Then after 3 12s are, okay, so as like this form of box. Okay, as like we form of box, we write in next session. Okay, so 13 multiplied by 1200, 16 multiplied by 4, so 2014, and 5 multiplied by 4, so 5 4s are 20. See here, one by one I give you all places. 5 4s are 20, 16 multiplied by 14. Okay, 16 multiplied by 14, and 3 multiplied by 4, sorry, 300 multiplied by 4, 60 multiplied by 4, and 5 multiplied by 4. So 20 plus 240 and 1200. So 0 0 0, so as 0. Then 2 plus 4, so 6. And then 2 plus 2, 4, and then 1 as it is. The answer is what? 1416. Answer is what? 1416. Understood, all students? Again we are do the revision and next lecture. Now new topic is multiplying 4 digit. This also topic we have a do in next session, but now just go through fastly. So multiply a 4 digit number. So multiply 4 digit number. A group of fish is called a school. A group of fish is column method. Okay, is this what we call multiplying 4 digit column method? A group of fish is called a school if there are 4 school of fish swimming in the ocean with 2365 fish in school. each school. How many fish are there? So 2365. 2365. One by one we do the all place. First of all, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Okay, so 5 fours are 20, 0 here and 2 as a form of carry. Then 5 fours are, and sorry, 4 6 are 26. 26, how can we write? 5 fours are 20, 5 fours are 20, so 5 6 are 24. 6 fours are 25. Sorry all students, 5 fours are 20, then after 6 fours are 4 6 are 26. Got my point? So 2 here as form of carry on 100 place and 6 here. Okay, then here 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 2, how many? 12 plus 2, 13 and 14. 4 here and 1 as a form of carry. Then 4 2s are 6. 6 plus, sorry, 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8 and 1, 9. So answer is what? 9416. Answer is what? 9416. There are 9416 fish in swimming in for such a school. Understood? Again I'll repeat to you all students, multiplication box and multiply in 4-digit number in next session, and this you have to do in your fair book. Got my points all students? Thank you so much all of you. Thank you.